low noise, high gain, USB connectivity, headphone output, and studio quality processing. This is the new NT USB Plus. But before we talk a little bit more about this mic,
what's in the box?
1 NT USB Plus professional USB microphone, 1 desktop tripod, 1 ring mount, 1 pop filter, and 1 USB-C to USB-C cable. This new professional USB microphone is perfect for musicians, podcasters, streamers, voiceovers, and professionals. Right here is already the mic. Nice, it's big. Metal, professional, né? 540 grams, pop filter, and then here the mount we can put in the base, or you can put on PSA1, PSA1 Plus, that's that, USB, the base for the desktop. Very simplistic, very easy, né? So you can connect and use in different devices, computer, cell phone, USB-C or USB-A, whatever you want, especially because we have the ability to use with Røde Connect and Røde Central. For the first time, I'm gonna be using and we're gonna test this together. Let's open Røde Connect, recognize right away, update required to use this device. We can update, nah, no problem. Let me get a headphone as well. Done. By the way, if you wanna win one of these NTH 100 headphones from Røde, make sure to watch video description down below or wait until the end because we partner with Røde X, new brand for gaming and streaming. So if you wanna win a dynamic or condenser microphone, make sure to check it out. Right on right, left on left. So let's see the mic. I used to have my NTG here. Let's plug this instead. So if you wanna record a podcast, you connect everyone together, press next. I'm just gonna leave like this. Alô, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Fuego! If we click here, we're gonna be able to adjust the levels. Alô, 1, 2, 3. So as you can see here, with Røde Connect, we are able to adjust everything with noise gate, compressor, exciter, and big bottom. Amazing features and recording. 1, 2, 3, testando o som. Teste. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let me bring this down. This is how we had before. High pass filter, you can adjust the levels, 75, 150. Noise gate, sometimes it's too fast the attack, so I don't really like the noise gate here in this situation. I feel like the PSA1 Plus is gonna be nice because I'm gonna be able to adjust very close to my mouth. So now we're gonna use the NT USB Plus, but we're gonna be using on PSA1 Plus, a lot of things. But what I wanted to see the difference is because if we use the desktop mount, it's nice. Don't get me wrong, it's pretty cool, but I feel like it's a little bit far from the mouth, and I feel like as close as I get to the mic, richer and deeper it gets. Just give an example, if I'm like this, you still will be able to have a nice sound. I'm sure it's gonna be fine. I'm just gonna bring the mic a little bit closer and you will see the difference right here. For me, this is very, very good. In this front area, it's gonna be nicer, the sound right here in this position. If I flip this around, 1, 2, 3, mic test, on the top here, you're still gonna be able to hear something, but definitely is not the best way that you should be using. On the back as well, that's definitely not the way to use, but you're still gonna be able to pick up some sound, but the perfect position should be right here. Very, very good. So highly recommend PSA1 Plus, okay? Solid arm stand for your mics. $169, you will be able to have a nice professional setup. You will have the ability to just put this on your desk and make something out of nothing. I know there is a lot of mics there in that under $200 range, but this one, you already have the pop filter, which sometimes brands like to sell separately. That's definitely a plus that you have on your package already. And not even talking about the features that we are able to unlock using Røde Connect, as I showed you before. As you can hear right now, it's perfect. It's very nice, very close to my mouth. And not just that, if you want to do some podcast, you will be able to control the smart pad section with the Røde Connect. At the same time, you can hear I'm recording right now. If I want to adjust the sound here, I can do that. If I press intro, you will be able to hear with me right now. If wanna play, if you wanna add, stop this one for a second. Thank you very much. If I bring this up, you see that it's gonna be way louder. Don't be scared, okay? Hey, so this is a lot of cool features that you will be able to use with this new NT-USB Plus with the Røde Connect. Another thing that's very cool here, we have two controls here. One is for my headphone, how loud I'm gonna be able to listen to my voice. And then this one I think would be nice for musicians, because if I'm listening to a song and I wanna sing and record at the same time, I can adjust the amount of sound that I will listen from my computer. Example, if I move this to the right, I will be able to hear a lot of that sound over here. If I move this to the left, I will control the amount of my voice that I will hear. So that's pretty cool. It's kind of like your feedback if you want to listen to your voice or if you don't want to listen to your voice, basically. Detail, this is not going to be affecting your recording. Like I'm moving here right now, it's not changing anything in my recording. Final thoughts about this microphone. Well, for me, this is amazing. Why? If you're looking for something very simple, but you'll be able to achieve a high quality sound right away, super quick, via USB, straight to your computer or your phone, stand, a pop filter included, good looking as well. Let's not forget about the design, because this looks so cool. There is even like a little blue light here in the middle when you turn on. Very nice detail over there as well. Very versatile. For less than 200 bucks, I think this will be the way to go. If you're looking for something like this, link is gonna be description down below. And don't forget about our giveaway. Give it a like to support our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.